What's up, guys? So back to some R18 maintenance here. Did kind of the full series. I'll link the playlist on my channel here below. Did the 20,000 mile 2-year service this past fall. Did brake fluid, but didn't need to replace pads at that point. They're probably not too bad, honestly, right now, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. So as a follow-up to the other maintenance that I had done several months ago, I'll walk you through. Now, this is, if you've changed brake pads, it's pretty universal. Honestly, there's nothing super special here. The only difference is probably the torx and everything that you need versus like a car or other motorcycle. So I've got my 1/4 inch torque wrench here, my 3/8 inch torque wrench here, just a normal 3/8 inch ratchet right here. You will need a T40, a T50, and then an E14 sort of outside torx. That goes for the back brakes. We've got a pair of nail nose pliers to remove the springs. We've got a sort of brake caliper spreader, which isn't necessary. I mean, you can use a screwdriver, a knife, or whatever. I just prefer to do it this way. So pick your poison there. We've got 2 sets of front brake pads, 1 set of rear brake pads. We've got some Simple Green and a toothbrush here to clean out the brake caliper cylinders, get all the grime out of there, so when we push them in, we're not pushing a bunch of junk in there. And we've got some Scotch-Brite to sort of rub around the discs, kind of clean those off. Again, depends on how you want to do it. I'm going to be pretty thorough, but this is everything you'll need to do the job. So we'll get to it. front brakes done. That last little bit was because the left and right side are effectively the same, so I only filmed one side. But on the left-hand side, if you're sitting on the bike, you do have to snip the zip tie and pop the ABS sensor out of that one, which you don't have to do on the other side, so that's what that little bit was about. We've got a set of rear brake pads, and then the only tool difference, I believe, is this E14 torx outside to get the caliper off. And as I understand it as well, depending on which exhaust you have, you may need to remove your muffler to access both bolts that are on the that are holding the caliper on. It doesn't look like I'm gonna have to, so hopefully I'll get lucky there, because I really don't want to pull up my muffler. But anyway, I gotta get over here and take my backrest off, take the seat off, take this left side case off, so then I have access to the thing, and then access to the brakes, and then basically do the exact same thing they did on the front. The 6 old pads, obviously new pads are over there, so I gotta put the bike back together. But using kind of the nickel test here, I would say the fronts were getting close enough that they definitely needed changing. You could probably get a couple of thousand more miles out of them, but close enough for me. The backs had a decent amount of meat left on them, but you know, I just decided to replace all of them kind of while I was doing some other maintenance. So there you go. It's a pretty simple process. Like I say, if you've ever done brakes on just about anything, it's similar across the board, I think, unless you're doing drums. But on my R18 bagger with the Freedom Performance exhaust, I did not have to remove the muffler to access that bottom bolt on the rear caliper. Your mileage may vary, just depends. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope it helps some folks. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Hit that like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.